I get in the car.
I get on the bus. I get off the bus. I get out of the car.
Can you guess the answer? Comment below. Fall down. He fell down the stairs.
Fall off. He fell off a ladder. Fall over. He fell over a toy. Which one is correct? A person slips from a bicycle.
I make a fist.
I pinch the salt.
I tap the screen. I grip the dumbbell.
I snap my fingers.
I rub my hands.
I scratch an itch.
I slide my hand.
Can you guess the answer? Comment below. This is a roundabout. This is an overpass. This is an underpass. This is a curb. This is a pedestrian. This is a bike lane. This is a parking meter. This is a bus lane. Can you guess the answer?
Take a bite of the burger.
Chew your food slowly.
Swallow after chewing.
I sip the juice. I slurp the noodles.
I scoff the meal.
I gorge on pizza.
I nibble a cookie. Which one are you? Comment below.
Sniff means to smell something briefly. Inhale means to breathe in deeply. Exhale means to breathe out slowly.
Stink means to have a bad odor. Which word means to breathe in deeply? We set off early in the morning.
I picked up my friend after school. Our car broke down on the highway.
The driver pulled over safely.
Let's fill up before the trip.
She dropped me off at school.
Can you answer this question?
I spill the milk. Water drips from the bottle. The pipe leaks.
I pour juice. Oh no, it's overflowing! Water splashes.
I soak the sponge. The iron produces steam.
What is this water action called? Comment below.
I cut the paper. I fold the paper. I write a note. I draw a picture. I print a document. Now tell me, what is this action called?